these dialogues, which we'll be having tomorrow, will be the 6th summit, that these needed to be complemented by a dialogue between our business people, because the real challenge is for us to deepen and strengthen the ties in the area of the economy. The theme of this particular dialogue that will be taking place tomorrow, the summit's dialogue, is job creation through inward investment. We meet, of course, at a time when the world economy continues to be plagued by the aftermath of the global economic crisis. The mineral products super cycle, which we saw for quite a number of years, sometime last year past its prime, and we've seen since then significant drops in minerals prices, particularly. But the good news is that in all of this, and against that background, there is a growing and significant recognition that Africa's time has come. The next phase of African development has got to be characterized by industrialization. We need to locate ourselves where, in fact, the growing part of global value chains is, where there is trade in intermediate products, and where we move up the value chain. Industrialization is the name of the game. Our heritage of colonialism was that it divided us into 54 different countries. We are negotiating a free trade area between 26 countries with a combined population of 600 to 700 million people, a combined GDP of $1 trillion US. We need to put in place the infrastructure that is necessary to connect up our economies as the African continent looks more attractive as a growth proposition. So there is an increasing interest in deepening involvement in the African continent from a number of existing as well as new potential trade and investment partners. The European Union remains our largest trading partner, certainly as South Africa, but I think it's also true to a very large extent of the African continent as a whole, and also our largest investment partner as well. And we continue as South Africa to support, encourage, welcome, work actively with potential investors, because we believe that the theme which has been identified of job creation through inward investment, linked to the project of industrialization, regional integration, and infrastructure development, and we are open to partnerships from companies in all of these areas. One of the key matters that we will be discussing with the Commissioner when we talk about the Economic Partnership Agreement negotiations, which we are part of, and we are committed to ensuring an equitable and outcome to these negotiations, which will support and sustain regional integration